Hickman's is a family-owned business, large egg farm. Hickman's is the largest egg producer in the Southwest, producing over 5 million eggs a day. It is family-owned and it's based right out of Arizona. The partnership between Hickman's and ADCRR started roughly 25 years ago. Initially, it was an innovative way for the Department of Corrections to help rehabilitate inmates. It just so happened that Hickman's also needed help on the farm, so this was a beautiful marriage between Hickman's and the Department of Corrections.
I love learning new stuff. I love being able to adapt to different situations and different positions that they offer you. Like, this place gives you the opportunity to grow.
I work the palletizer, so I'm learning how to work with the technology, the computer skills, and machinery. I enjoy it for the experience. I actually like all the machines. I like how everything goes together, and I also like the people here.
Having that opportunity has been a huge advantage for inmates that get the opportunity to work here at Hickman's.
When I came in to prison, I obviously had an inmate mentality, thought there was no hope for my future. I didn't have very many opportunities, and Hickman's has showed me that there's so many opportunities within the company.
Some of the essential things that are needed coming out of incarceration are housing, employment, and transportation. So those were our focus to eliminate those three barriers.
I think that's a big thing that a lot of inmates need.
So one thing we can't forget is that although these people are incarcerated, these are still members of our community that are coming back. We have a duty to do whatever we can to kind of help them get reacclimated and be prepared to hit the ground running.
They offer housing opportunities, transportation to work, and then I have a job when I get out. Like, that's absolute success when I get out of here, so I never go back to prison.